So guys, assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all doing well. My dear beloved brothers and sisters, as you can see, this is Nur Alam. Welcome back to my English habit. So today I am very tired because uh, um, I am uh, right now I run. Okay, so actually this is morning time. This is a very neat and clean and nice. Okay, today's weather very rainy days, as you can see. Okay, and uh, right now 5:35 a.m. Okay, actually today's weather very neat and clean, nice. Okay, and as you can see, this is airport, uh, very close to me. Okay, as you can see, this is and this is a airport area. Actually, this is my favorite place because here uh, uh, because here natural vibe uh, like village type. Okay, so that's why I came here because uh, uh, this place very good, as you can see. Okay, and here some trees and here a ponds. Okay, and there beside some banana trees and here a small home. Okay, and this color I don't know this color name, green color. You know, my brother and sister. Okay, so actually every day I try learn something, and every day I try make video like motivational type, like information type, uh, my daily routine share you. Okay, so that's why I came here, and I practice speaking English because English speaking is very important for me. Okay, because English is a uh, international language, so that's why uh, I I use I usually uh, I usually learn English properly. Okay, so actually English is a very important our country. Okay, but our educational system, our country system, all everything Bengali means mother tongue. Okay, so that's why English is a very hard. First time I thinking uh, and maximum time beginner learner thinking the English is very important. English is very hard. Okay, but actually English is very easy if you practice every day. Okay, like every day speaking, listening, reading, writing. Okay, but uh, if you don't practice for your English is very uh, hard. Okay, only just 1 month ago I could not uh, like video make. Okay, like short sentence make, long sentence make, and I don't know how to blog type video and how to make video like in front of camera talk. Okay, but right now uh, I tell something. I'm not a good speaker, I am not a motivational speaker, but I share you just only my experience. Okay, so English is very important, and English is very easy. You are a serious learner, inshallah you will be a fluent speaker one day. Okay, so don't worry brother, you just practice every day, you just practice every time, you just practice uh, listening, speaking. Okay, listening part is very important because listening part input, okay, and speaking part output. So that's why two things very important. I hope you understand me. Okay, so actually English, uh, actually only 1 month ago, how to uh, talk public place. Okay, actually this is public place and this is a street. Okay, so as you can see, uh, always here come to go many peoples, but I don't stop my talking, my speak. Okay, because I know where I am going. Okay, as you can see here, coming my my grandfather. Okay, actually this is my work, this is my habit. Okay, and as you can see, coming madrasa uh, student, actually uh, line by line coming, this is a uh, very good. Okay, and it's very wonderful. Okay, and as you can see, this is I don't know this name. Okay, so if you really learn English, if you really learn speaking English, so you must be everyday practice, everyday listening, everyday writing. Okay, everyday speaking, everyday listening. uh, okay, you just follow these tricks. Okay, uh, because it helps me. Okay, so that's why you can follow tricks. I hope you learned something this video and enjoyed with me. So keep learning, keep practicing, and every day just consistency. uh, and never give up, and believe in yourself. Okay, so see you soon in the next video. See you soon in the next video, and so tata, bye bye, Allah Hafiz, assalamu alaikum. Okay, so thank you so much, and today's weather very nice. Okay, so thank you.